Hi everyone, I'm going to go through with you in this video how to use the sine rule to find an unknown side length or an unknown angle in a non-right angle triangle. So I've got my triangle here that I'm going to use as the example. So if I wanted to find the area of this triangle, I could do it a few ways. So if I knew this side length C and this side length B and this angle, I could use the formula that we used at the start of this chapter. So it would be half C times B times by sine A. So if I had those values, if I knew side length C and A and angle B, then I could have half AC sine B. That would also help me to find the area of the triangle. So both of these answers would give me, both of these formulas would give me the same answer. And the other way I could find it would be using side length A, B, and angle C. So that one would look like half AB sine C. So if I just move this one down a bit. So all of these formulas would get me the answer to this triangle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to divide all of these by half A, B, C to cancel out some common factors. So here my half cancels out and C cancels out and B cancels out. So I'm left with sine A on lowercase a. In this one, again, my half cancels out, my A cancels out, and my C cancels out. So I'm left with sine B on B. And with this one, I've got, again, both halves cancel out, both A's and both B's cancel out. So I've got sine C on C. So this is the sine rule, and I can use these ratios to find unknown values. So I'm going to get rid of this and we'll have a go at using this rule in question 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label my triangle. So this is side A, I'm going to call this one A, this is like side B, B, and B, C, and C. So I'm trying to find lowercase a or x, and I know B. So I'm going to be using only these two parts of the rule. The other thing about the sine rule is that it can be written the other way around as well. So A on sine A equals B on sine B equals C on sine C. And because I'm trying to find an unknown side length, I'm going to be using this particular one here. So I'm going to sub in my value, so it would be x on sine 48 equals 23 on sine 37. Now I'm going to move the sine 48 to solve for x. So I've got a times by sine 48 on this side, which cancels out, which means I times by sine 48 on this side. So x is going to be equal to 28.4 So now I want you guys to use this rule up here to have a go at question 1, question 2, and question 3. So remember, you just need to label your triangle. So if this is capital A, this side here will be lowercase a, capital B, this will be lowercase b. So for this one, you would be using A on sine A equals B on, let me try that again, A on sine A equals B on sine B. Alright, so have a go at question 1, 2, and 3, and let me know if you need any help.